In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Introduction to Bioconductor course from Harvard, step by step, even if you've never enrolled in an online Harvard course before. This is a great course if you're interested in bioinformatics, data analysis, and computational biology, and the best part is that the enrollment process is very straightforward once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software and learning tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the official Harvard website. To save time, you can simply search on Google for Introduction to Bioconductor Harvard course. Make sure you're clicking on a link that clearly belongs to Harvard or one of their official learning platforms. This is important to avoid third-party sites that may not be legitimate. Once you land on the Harvard website, take a moment to review the course page. You'll see details about what the Introduction to Bioconductor course covers, including topics like genomic data analysis, R programming, and bioconductor tools. Scroll through the page to understand the course structure, duration, and any prerequisites that may be listed. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the course page. This is usually clearly visible near the top or after the course description. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. After clicking Enroll, you'll be asked to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard or edX-related account, you can simply log in using your existing credentials. If you're new, follow the prompts to create a new account by entering your email address, name, and setting a password. Once your account is set up, you'll be guided to the enrollment details page. Here, you'll need to fill in the required personal information, such as your name and location, and select the course track if there are multiple options available. Some versions of the course may offer free access with limited features, or a paid option that includes a certificate. Review these options carefully and choose the one that best fits your goals. Next, proceed to the payment section if the course requires a fee. Enter your payment details securely and confirm the transaction. Harvard's platform uses secure payment processing, so your information is protected. After the payment is completed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation message and often a confirmation email as well. Now comes the exciting part. Once you're officially enrolled, you can immediately start your Introduction to Bioconductor course. Go to your dashboard or course library and click on the course to begin. From here, you'll have access to lectures, reading materials, assignments, and any downloadable resources provided by the instructors. Make sure to pace yourself and follow the course schedule if one is provided. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Introduction to Bioconductor course from Harvard. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might be interested in bioinformatics or data science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.